I am making a Snickerdoodle pumpkin cake. Oh, yum. Got my spice cake mix. My pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, just plain pumpkin. And my eggs. My water and my oil. You could use butter if you want instead. And optional, an extra 1/4 cup of sugar because the pumpkin is slightly on the tart side, but you don't have to add that. We are going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook volume number 1 free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Our pan. Spritz it with oil. Pour in my cake mix or my cake batter. Spread it around. Then for our Snickerdoodle top, we're going to add our cinnamon and sugar. All right, then we're going to sprinkle it all over the top. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. I'm making Snickerdoodle pumpkin bread. Cake mix and my pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. And my eggs. My loaf pan, spritz it with oil. We're going to spray it in our pan. Snickerdoodle, sugar, and cinnamon topping. Sprinkle it all on top. We're going to throw this in the oven and bake it. Making 4 ingredients Snickerdoodle pumpkin cookies. Oh, yum. Got my spice cake mix. Making a lot of videos today, so I'm not cleaning bowls in between. Got my can of pumpkin here, not pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin. These are the 2-ingredient pumpkin cookies. Got my Snickerdoodle topping here with my cinnamon and sugar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a little, oops, I did that wrong, I guess. Then I'm going to take my cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle it on top. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. I absolutely love pumpkin. Oh, I'll take pumpkin over chocolate any day. I know that's crazy, but I will. Now, if you want to pat these down a little bit so you don't have the little tops burning, you can. If you wet your finger, it goes a little bit easier too. All right, I'm gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. All right, here are my cookies, and let me show you how wonderfully soft and delicious. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have my taste test. Pumpkin, Snickerdoodle pumpkin cake mix cookies.
Snickerdoodle pumpkin cake mix cookies.
Yeah, 2-ingredient pumpkin cookies made with Snickerdoodle, made into Snicker. I don't know.
Made with a cake mix?
Yes,
what?
It's 2 ingredients.
Mm. It's really good. It has a different consistency than the other one.
Yep.
It's really good though. Yum.
Right, here is my Snickerdoodle pumpkin bread. Oh, yum. I'm gonna loosen it from the edges. I think it's already loose. Just make sure. Yep, it is. All right, then. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. Okay, we're gonna let this cool and then we're going to cut it. And here's a little trick for cooling. If you wanna let it cool quicker, turn it on its side and then all the sides will cool faster. All right, here is our Snickerdoodle cake. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. We're gonna let it cool and then Mike will come and test it. And to make sure it was done, I stuck a knife in the center and it came out clean.
That is a chunky slice. What is it?
Okay, it is Snickerdoodle pumpkin bread.
Didn't I just eat one of those?
No, you had the cake,
Oh,
not
okay.
the pumpkin bread. It's a different shape.
It's good. It tastes less sweet, except the topping is very sweet.
That's because this has less sugar than the other one.
Oh, see, I detected it. Very good.
So if you want something less sweet, this is a better way to go. Pumpkin Snickerdoodle cake made with cake mix. I hope it's good.
Smells good.
It's a test recipe.
Pumpkin Snickerdoodle cake?
Yes.
Ooh, it's orange.
Well,
That's really good. The funny thing about this is I would never eat pumpkin or Snickerdoodles or anything like that because I thought it tasted like pumpkin smelled, and I thought it tasted like Snickers, and it doesn't taste like pumpkin or Snickers.
no,
It's like a spice cake. It's really good.